Business Center demonstration video where we will cover the new Select Tunnel Points command in Trimble Business Center Tunneling Module version 5.4. The Select Tunnel Points command helps manage tunnel as-built data efficiently by enabling someone to select any as-built data based on project over and under break tolerances. Once that data has been selected, you can leverage several tools such as the selection sets to confidently and efficiently manage that data. You can find the Select Tunnel Points command under the Tunnel ribbon and under Select Tunnel Points. One prerequisite before using this command is you need to have tunnel as-built points assigned to your tunnel design. In this project, I have two tunnel designs, one in red and one in blue, so a cross passage and a main tunnel. And I also have as-built meshes created for survey data, which you can see here, that was collected using a total station along the tunnel. If I go to the Assign Tunnel As-Built Points command, you can see that several points have already been assigned to the tunnel. Using the Select Tunnel Points command, now you have an efficient way to select as-built points based on station range and tolerances. So if you're looking for certain as-built points along the tunnel which have exceeded the overbreak tolerance or the underbreak tolerance, you now select those points and then do any analysis or export back to the field if necessary. So first option is to select the tunnel and then the shape. So if you have multiple shapes, such as an excavation line or a shotcrete line, you can choose which of those shapes. And then you define an overbreak and underbreak tolerance, and as well as a station range. So if I only want to select a certain station range, for instance, if I'm only interested in this main corridor here, I can select the station range along there by simply clicking on the tunnel. And then the last option is to select which target points. So this can be all assigned points to that tunnel, or it can be only selected points. For instance, if I only wanted to look at this specific profile, I could use the selected assigned tunnel points. In this case, I'll only use the all assigned tunnel points to start with. So once I've selected that, I press apply, and you'll notice that it selected any points that were out of the over and under break tolerance that was set. Now, if I make that tolerance larger, let's say I move it to 0.5, and now I press apply again, you'll see it's selected far fewer points because there's fewer that are outside of that tolerance. And now I can use those points on a selection set, for instance. I can create a selection set that has those specific points. So I can apply, and then I can create a selection set here, and I can call it, for instance, out of tolerance, and I can put 0.5 meters. And now in the future, if I ever want to refer to that specific selection, let's, for instance, if I forget which points were out of tolerance, I can go back to that selection set and they're automatically selected. So this concludes a video for demonstrating the new Select Tunnel Points command in TBC Tunneling Module version 5.4.